In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix camera connection problem on Roblox. So if you're trying to connect your camera, but it is not compatible, or it keeps on crashing, or it can't connect, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you have tried connecting your camera but you are not able, you may want to go ahead and clear the app data, and more especially the cache data. To do this, go ahead and long press on your Roblox account and choose app info. Now under this, you need to go ahead and tap on clear data, and to fix any glitches, go ahead and tap on clear cache. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores whenever you use it. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction, and this includes connecting to camera. Once you're done, now go ahead and restart your phone and then open it again, and this should have fixed your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, you need to go ahead and clear now all the app data by typing on OK here, and this will also help. You'll have to log in afresh, and now you should be able to have a smooth connection with the camera. However, if you still have any issue, you may want to go ahead and look for any update if it is available in Google Play Store or App Store by searching for your app. And if you have any update, go ahead and update your Roblox app to the latest version. From here, go ahead and try connecting your camera to find out if the problem has been sorted. But should you still experience any glitch, now you may want to uninstall the app completely and then install it afresh. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to resolve any issue related to your camera in Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.